Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So here when you see this is the 15 minutes time frame of Bank Nifty, that is 19th April. Okay, so here we can see in 15 minutes inside bar is forming. Okay, so when we have to enter into the long and short trade, when the high is taken away or if the low is broken, we can enter into the PE trade. So we can put a horizontal ray above the high and low of this red candle, that is the doji candle. Okay, so the low is 42,137 and the high is 42,230. So when we convert this 15 minutes into 5 minutes, we can see there is also an inside bar pattern is formed. So one can enter into the long and short trade if the high and the low is broken. So we can put an arrow above that. So this is for long and this is for short trade. So the same we can see if how it will be if we enter into the 3 minutes. So the same we can see how it will be in the 3 minutes. So this is the same we can see in the 3 minutes time frame. So in the 3 minutes also we can see the candles are consolidating. All right. So this is a pure inside bar pattern trade.